So brace yourself, folks. Some crappy weather's heading our way. That's the meteorological term that I'm using, Llarisa, but you have the more specific terms.
Listen, I like it. I'm here for it. That's the term that people will understand.
Yes.
It's crappy, and yes, there is no short way of saying it. We do have a crappy forecast in store for us on Tuesday. The truth is, we're not talking about heavy precipitation by any means. It's going to be light, but it will be enough to coat those roads, make things messy and slippery for your morning commute. We'll talk timing in a moment, but right now we're at 33 degrees, so a cold start to our Monday. Cloudy out there, and it's also very, very dry. This number here is important, the dew point number right now at 11 degrees. And this is important because, well, the storm that will be moving into the region is going to fight off lots of dry air that's currently locked in place. You can see that for the rest of this afternoon and even into the evening hours, we are dry. Now, shortly after midnight, in fact, we could see the touch of showers here shortly after 9 o'clock, but this particular model is showing that rain and even some snow will be moving in at around 1 a.m. And I do think that is true. We'll see more precipitation here closer to midnight than closer to 9 p.m. tonight. So take a look, Storm Scan 3. This is our storm, and I know it does look a lot more ominous. Well, the truth is it'll continue to weaken as it interacts with this dry air that's in place. Now, as it moves further off towards the east, we're going to continue to see this cloud cover. At midnight, this is 12:30 tomorrow morning. You can see that it does start off as mostly snow for just about everyone. The exception going to be Cape May County and then down south into southern Delaware. But places like Lancaster County, back down towards Newcastle County, Delaware, you're going to see some snow out of this. Very light snow. I don't want to scare you, but by 7:30, notice how that snow switches over to this pink color. That represents freezing rain, so we can certainly see slick travel here, 7:30, just in time for the morning rush. And this, unfortunately, right along the I-95 corridor from Trenton to Philly, back down towards Wilmington. Notice South Jersey, how you're in the green, so it's mostly rain for you. And then the Lehigh Valley, while we do start off with snow, you're actually going to see that switch over later on in the morning. Take a look at 6 p.m. We're switching over to rain and snow for the Lehigh Valley, but still snowfall up in the Poconos. Although we're not looking at impressive accumulations, we are anticipating accumulating snow about a coating to 2 inches, especially up in the Poconos. And I did leave this for just about everyone, but because we will be switching over to freezing rain, most likely those snowfall totals will be cut down across the city. These are the weather impacts we'll be watching. Slick roads is the #1 concern here for Tuesday, and then we're drier by the middle of the week Wednesday.
Thank you, Llarisa.